What is this AI everybody keeps talking about? Well, today we're talking about Copilot, Microsoft's own AI companion. And if you're brand new to the whole AI thing, don't worry. We're keeping it simple and jargon-free. Section 1. What is Copilot? Before we dive in, let's tackle the big question. What even is AI? Well, AI stands for artificial intelligence, but don't let the name fool you into thinking it's all science fiction and robots. AI at its core is just a smart software that can understand language, recognize patterns, and help you get things done quicker. So why is everybody suddenly talking about it? Well, because it's come a long way. AI can write, explain, organize, and even have a conversation in ways that feel much more natural and genuine compared to the clunky assistants we've had in the past. And that's where Copilot comes in. Copilot is Microsoft's AI assistant, a helpful app you can use on your Windows computer, in your browser, or on your phone. It's ready to answer questions, draft content, or to help you out with day-to-day tasks. Finding it is easy. Look out for the Copilot icon. On Windows 11, you'll usually see it right down here on the taskbar. If you've got one of the newer Windows 11 PCs, you might even spot a Copilot key on your keyboard. Just click the icon or press the button and you're in. Section 2. How to use it. Alright, the app's open, so let's talk about how to actually use Copilot. Right here, you've got a space where you can type. This is where you can give Copilot a prompt. Now, a prompt is just a question or instruction you'd like it to complete. No need for fancy wording, just type like you're talking to a helpful assistant. For example, write a thank you note to a neighbour for feeding the cat while I was away. What's a good film for a rainy afternoon? Explain what Bluetooth is in plain English. Copilot reads what you type and comes straight back with what you need. But if typing's not your thing, no problem. Just click the microphone icon right here and speak your request instead. Copilot will chat back to you just like talking to a friend. You might say something like, "What's the weather like tomorrow?" You can keep the conversation going for as long as you want. When you're done, just click the X icon to wrap things up. It's perfect if you prefer talking or you're just not very good at typing like me. Section 3. What can I help with? Copilot's brilliant for everyday tasks, especially the ones that normally eat up time or feel a bit fiddly. It can write for you, emails, letters, whatever you need. Planning something, whether it's a party, a shopping list, or even a trip, it can help you get organized. Curious about something? Just ask Copilot, and Copilot can find the answers and explain them in plain English. And it's not all serious. You can get it to tell you a joke or find a bit of trivia if you fancy a quick laugh. The best part, you don't need to know the right words or any techie commands. Just ask it in your own way and it will do its best to help. Let's try it together. Let's plan a weekend schedule. Step 1, decide what you want help with. Like, I want to structure my week so I don't forget anything important. Step 2, type in a simple prompt. Can you help me plan a weekly schedule for meals, appointments, and chores? Step 3, Copilot will give you a draft schedule. It might miss a few details at first, but that's fine. You can just add them in. For example, add my dentist appointment on Thursday at 2 p.m. Include time for walking the dog every morning. Make sure I've got enough food for the book club meeting on Saturday at 3 p.m. Every time you add something, Copilot updates the schedule. It's a conversation. You don't have to nail it on the first try, and if you're stuck, you can even ask, what's a good way to ask you to help me plan my week? It's designed to be flexible, friendly, and fun. So don't overthink it, just start and let Copilot guide you. Section 4, common worries and why you don't need to panic. Now you might be wondering, is it safe? Will it steal my details? Is it going to judge me for the silly questions that I ask? Let me put your mind at rest. Copilot doesn't store your private personal information. You're in control. It only works when you ask it to. And honestly, there's no such thing as a silly question. If you want the fine print, Microsoft has a full privacy statement you can check out, but day to day, it's built to be safe, helpful, and respectful. Section 5, final tips and encouragement. Here's my final tip. Just give it a go. Start with something small. Maybe ask Copilot to help you write a thank you note, or track down a great recipe for Friday night's dinner. You don't need to be tech savvy, you just need to be curious. And if you ever feel stuck, come back to this video, or simply ask, how do I use Copilot? It's very good at explaining itself. So that's Copilot, a simple, friendly way to get things done, learn something new, or just have a bit of fun. If you've tried it, we'd love to hear what you've used it for. Maybe it helped you write a tricky email, plan a holiday, or cracked that stubborn crossword clue. Drop a comment and let us know if you found this video helpful. Give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft tips, and share it with someone who might want to learn a bit more about using AI in their everyday. Thanks for watching. Ciao.